So we have studied the lessons, the fair play, then who I am, isn't it? All that we have studied. So for your exams also coming, so we will do from lesson 4, Kalpana Chawla, different kind of school, then where do all the teachers go, then who I am. Understood? That is 4, 5 and 6. That we will do. Okay. So now we are going to study the poem which is coming before the next lesson, that is 5, before the 5, that is a different kind of school. Before that, this is the poem. Understood? Beauty. The poem is Beauty. Beauty means for something which is very beautiful, isn't it? Something which is very beautiful. We say it is this beauty. A rose beauty. That means beautiful as a rose. Beautiful as a. Okay? We can say rose. Beautiful when it is compared, isn't it? Beauty of the scenery. That means the scenery is beauty. How it is being. Understood now? What is beauty? Try to describe what beauty is or list some of the things or persons you think are beautiful. So we can say, which are the things beautiful? Blue sky, you can say, is beautiful, isn't it? Rising sun. Yes or no? Rising sun. To see the beauty of rising sun. That is also right, blue sky. You see the beauty of the blue sky. Then rising sun, rising of the sun. Both we can say setting sun also. Isn't it? Setting sun. Then green meadows. Green meadows. Isn't it? Or paddy fields. Paddy fields. So all these like this many things are there which are very beautiful, isn't it? Beautiful sceneries. That means mountains. Scenes of mountains. All these, everything in nature is having its own beauty. Everything in nature, isn't it? Nature has given for everything is beauty, even human being also. Isn't it? All are having their own kind of beauty, isn't it? Now we will go to the poem. Beauty is seen in the sunlight. So when the rising sun, isn't it? We have written here rising sun. When the sun is rising up, it is seen that from in between the mountains we can see, isn't it? Slowly, that means the horizon of the sea. If you are in front of a sea, we can see from the other end of the sea, we can see slowly who is rising? The rising up of the sun, isn't it? That means the red color of the sun slowly coming and it is forming in a big round shape. Then the trees, the birds, all kind of trees, isn't it? All kind of trees having its own beauty. Then different kinds of birds, their colors, then their shapes, their size. Everything is having its own beauty. Corn growing that we have seen, paddy fields or any corn. Cultivation, corn cultivation, isn't it? The fields, any fields you can see. Even the tea estate, if we stand in a higher level and see the estate coffee plantations, isn't it? All these are having its own beauty. Understood? Or dancing for their harvest, or during the time of cultivation. During the time of cultivation, when the harvest is being done, the beauty is there. That means the machine going, tractor going, crushing down all the grains. Then ladies over there collecting the seeds or collecting the grains, isn't it? And then bringing them. So everything, whatever activities are doing over there in the field during the time of cultivation, it adds to the beauty of that particular work they are doing at the same time to that place, isn't it? To that place. So when the whole work is being done over there, different machines are there, human beings are there doing different kinds of work. Everything adds to its beauty of cultivation. So mainly we are saying that the crop is being cultivated, isn't it? Only the cultivation, the word cultivation is going on there, but people engaged in that work are of different, isn't it? Everyone are having different work. So all are gathering over there doing different kind of work. The land seems to be very beautiful. So that is the beauty of cultivation. Understood? Okay, 4 lines. Understood? Beauty is seen. We can see beauty everywhere, isn't it? In every object, in everything, in every human beings, we can see with our eyes. The beauty can be seen. That's why it is said we can see the beauty of each and everything in nature, because nature itself had given the beauty, isn't it? Has itself given the beauty for every organism on the earth, of every living as well as non-living. Everything is having its own beauty because they are all given by whom? By nature. Understood? In the sunlight, so beauty can be seen there. In the sunlight, the trees and birds, then corn growing and people working or dancing for their harvest. Enjoyment. Dancing here means enjoyment. During the harvest time, people are enjoying themselves, isn't it? During the harvesting time, when the crops are being grown and it is time for cultivation, it is actually a festival, isn't it? It is actually a festival. So festival means enjoyment. It is an enjoyment. Cultivation is a kind of festival, celebrating the festival of cultivation. That means the crop has been, the seeds has been sown, then it took time for coming up, and finally the grains. It is full of ripened grains. Now it is time for cultivating it, taking out the ripe grains, isn't it? So it is a festival. It is to be a festival, enjoyment of many people together in that land. Understood? Understood now? Beauty is seen in the sunlight, the trees, the birds, corn growing and people working or dancing for their harvest. Next again. So first thing is, what is the first thing? Beauty can be seen. First one is beauty can be seen. Beauty can be seen. So that means in every object there is beauty and it can be seen with our eyes, isn't it? We can directly see the beauty of each and everything on the earth. Next one, beauty is heard. That means we can hear the singing of birds, isn't it? Singing of birds. Singing of birds, blowing of wind, are hearing, isn't it? Singing of the birds or different sound of the birds. Various birds are there and all are not making the same sound, isn't it? All the sounds are different. One varies from the other. So there are different kinds of singing, voice, different kinds of voice of the birds singing, isn't it? So the sweet song of the birds, then blowing of the wind. When the wind is blowing, when it is blowing slowly or softly, the sound is different. When it is a heavy storm, so both are different. So that also we are hearing the sound, isn't it? Yes or no? When the wind, a fast wind is blowing, don't you see the trees, all the trees, everything are making the sound. That means there is a clash of sound when the wind is blowing, isn't it? And that is also we are hearing. Then falling of the rain drops falling in different objects, the sound varies. If it is on the roof of a pitch roof, the sound is different. If it is on a hay or a leaf of the roof, then the sound is different. Or falling on a glass, sound is different. Falling on the window sill is different. So that pitter patter sound, that also we can hear, isn't it? We are enjoying the sound of the rain. Beauty is heard in the night. In the night, when everything is very silent, everywhere it is silent, we can hear the night sound, isn't it? Night sound means those birds which are in the night making different kind of sound. Owl, you can see the hooting sound of the owl, hooting sound, hooting of a owl, isn't it? Hoot, 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 like that it makes. Then far away you can hear the sound of dog, barking of dogs, isn't it? You can hear the barking of dogs. Then certain insects are like cricket. Insects are there in the night making the sound like a cricket. It is a chivid. Malayalam is a chivid. So that sound, everything is heard when it is very silent all around, isn't it? So in that silent night, different sounds we can hear. Wind sighing. So which are the sounds that we can hear during the night? During the night, you can hear what? Wind, blowing of the wind sighing, then rain falling, or a singer chanting. So these all things you can hear in the night. Sometimes at a far distance, though we are not able to see, at from a far distance we can hear the sound of that singer singing melodiously. So that song we can hear, isn't it? Though it is not very near. So in that night, even though it is very far away, we could hear the echo of that song, isn't it? Very clearly, because all around us everything is at the time of sleep, isn't it? So there is no other sound. But during the daytime, what we are hearing? We are hearing all the sounds together, isn't it? And it is a noisy time. But at night, all these noises will come down, isn't it? And everyone are at the time of sleeping. So in that silent mode, even from a far distance, if a singer sings, we can hear the song, isn't it? Though we are not able to see who is the singer, we can hear the song, the sweet song of that singer. Understood? Then the rain falling in that silent night. falling of the rain can be heard very clearly than during the daytime, isn't it? So even every drop falling on different objects can be heard very clearly during the night. Then wind sighing, that means the blowing of the wind. Sometimes during the sleep, sometimes we hear in the middle of the night falling of the rain, the raining, isn't it? So how do we come to know that it is raining? In the middle of our sleep we come to know it is raining. How? Because the water falling on our sheet of the roof or on the roof or on the window or even on the ground, isn't it? When it is falling, we are able to hear. So in that night, when all the surroundings are silent, we are able to hear. Understood? At the same time, the blowing of the wind also, daytime that much we are not experiencing. But at the night, we can hear the swinging of the wind while it is passing. Understood? So second is beauty can be heard. Beauty can be heard. Okay, the first one is beauty can be seen and the second one is beauty can be heard. Now, third one, beauty is in yourself. That means you yourself see where is your beauty. Beauty is in yourself. Third one is beauty is in yourself. That means not in your appearance, but on what deeds you are doing. Not looking very beautiful with a good body or a healthy body. So that is also adds to the beauty. But at the same time, what are the good things you are doing? That is the inner beauty of yourself. Understood? That is why we say beauty is in yourself. How you deal with the others, helping the others, respecting the elders, and then doing good deeds, isn't it? These are the things when you do, what is being seen are the beauty of you, the inner beauty can be seen, not the outer beauty, but the inner beauty, isn't it? What we can see, the inner beauty. Inner beauty of yourself, isn't it? The inner beauty of yourself. What are they? Good deeds. Which are the inner beauty? Good deeds. What are the things you are doing? Helping the others, helping the poor and the needy, isn't it? All that are the good things you are doing for somebody else. Not being selfish, not thinking about the only yourself, isn't it? Bothered about others, concerned about the others. Then happy thoughts, always thinking positively. Always thinking positively, not thinking negative, not thinking anything bad of others, thinking only good things of others. Then that will repeat themselves in your dreams, in your work, and even in your rest. So these two things are the ones when you do through your work and through your look. Then where is the beauty? Beauty is in yourself. Understood? So the first one, beauty can be seen. That means in every object on the earth, living as well as non-living, there is beauty, and it can be seen also. We can enjoy also the beauty of each and everything, isn't it? Because nature itself has given the beauty to each and everything, isn't it? Secondly, we are saying beauty can be heard. That means not only seeing, at the same time we can hear the beauty also. Through hearing also we can enjoy the beauty of each and everything. And thirdly, saying beauty is in you only. Beauty is in you only. isn't it? What are they? All the good things, all the good thoughts, all the day what needs what you do, or how is your mind, how is your soul. That shows you are beauty. That means they are the inner beauty. So only those inner beauties, that is good deeds as well as thinking, happy thoughts, all the thinking about that only positively, then the beauty is there, isn't it? Even though outlook is not good, though your appearance is not very pretty, but when you are having the inner beauty, it is you beautiful, isn't it? It is you beautiful. Now you understood? Understood the point? So beauty is seen in the sunlight, the trees, the birds, corn growing and people working or dancing for their harvest. Beauty is heard in the night, wind sighing, rain falling or a singer chanting. Anything in earnest. Beauty is in yourself. Good deeds, happy thoughts that repeat themselves. So daily repeating means doing it again and again. Not for one day or 2 days. Throughout your life, it should be continued. That good deeds and the happy thoughts. Throughout your life, it should be there. Understood now? In your dreams and in your, that means always you are dreaming about only good things, doing good things. Always you are dreaming only about thinking good things, isn't it? And in your work also, you are honestly doing everything, you are sincerely doing everything, isn't it? Then there is a beauty which is in yourself. And even in your rest, that means when you take rest also there is beauty, isn't it? Understood the point? The point says beauty is heard. Can you hear beauty? Can you hear beauty? Yes, we can hear beauty, isn't it? How we can hear? Through the song sung by a singer or through the falling of the water during the rainy time or the blowing of the wind, isn't it? All these having its beauty, but we are hearing it. The sound produced by them. Understood now? The poet Keats said, heard melodious are sweet, but those unheard are sweeter. That means those ones which we are hearing are sweet, but those which we do not hear are the sweetest. What do you think this means? Have you ever heard a song in your head long after the song was sung or played? That means even in the films, the old songs, we can say that the old are precious, isn't it? That means nowadays all the background is there, full of music content, isn't it? And the song will be less. But in olden times, the songs which are there were having a meaning over it, isn't it? So they seems to be melodious for hearing. Understood? That is why even today also the old songs are having that much place in the society. Read the first and the second stanza of the poem again. Corn growing, people working or dancing, wind sighing, rain falling, singer chanting. These would be written as corn that is growing, people who are working for dancing. Now you do the next. So first one, corn growing. It is already given there. Corn growing. That means corn that is growing. Corn that is growing. Corn that is growing. Then second one, people working or dancing. Then wind sighing. Wind sighing. that is falling. Rain that is falling. Singer chanting. A singer who is chanting means reciting prayer. Chanting means reciting prayer. Reciting prayer. Reciting prayer of goddesses, prayer to God is a reciting prayer. A singer who chants, who is chanting. A singer who is chanting, who is reciting the prayer. We read the other phrases like this. Why do you think the poet uses the shorter phrases? Find pictures of beautiful things you have seen or heard of. Write a paragraph about beauty. Use your own ideas along with the idea in the poem. You can write about the paragraph about the beauty. What is beauty? You can write down. Understood? So the poem. Now once more I read. Beauty is seen in the sunlight, the trees, the birds, corn growing and people working or dancing for their harvest. Beauty is heard in the night, wind sighing, rain falling, or a singer chanting. Anything is earnest. Beauty is in yourself, good deeds, happy thoughts that repeat themselves in your dreams, in your work, and even in your rest. That means everything that is being everywhere we can see and enjoy, or at the same time we can hear also the beauty. The poet is saying that beauty can be seen as well as beauty can be heard also. So in every object, the rising of the sun, the falling of the rain, or the blowing of the wind, everything, everywhere we are seeing as well as we are hearing, isn't it? We are hearing through the sound and we are seeing them with our eyes, isn't it? So the beauty can be seen as well as heard. Then saying that, finally saying that, how is your beauty? Where is your beauty? Isn't it? What is asking, where is your beauty? So beauty is in yourself only, not in your outer appearance. Outer appearance is also having beauty, but more than that, your inner beauty. Inner beauty means your thoughts, your happy thoughts, or your deeds, what work you are doing, what are the good things you are doing, what are the good thoughts you are thinking, always thinking about the positive. All your work activities, all your thinking, everything is in the positively manner. So then the beauty is in yourself. Understood now? So this is what the poet says about the beauty. Beauty can be seen as well as beauty can be heard also. Understood the poem? So these are the things that means the exercise is corn growing. Corn growing can be written as corn that is growing. Then wind sighing, wind that is sighing. Rain falling, rain that is falling. Then singer chanting, singer who is reciting the prayer of the God, isn't it? So all that things, both we can these things. Singer chanting means we are hearing, isn't it? This is we are hearing. This beauty is being heard. That means the prayer sung by a singer, and he is at a singing, isn't it? About the God. It can be heard very clearly. So this is the beauty can be heard. Here beauty can be heard. Beauty can be heard. At present when we are with him, we are enjoying both. We are enjoying the beauty of singing as well as we are hearing and enjoying, isn't it? And second one, falling of the rain, that also during the night. At every object, the drops are falling and it is making different sound. So from that sound, we are enjoying the falling of the rain. That is also being heard. Now, wind sighing. When the wind is blowing, when it is strong wind or it is only a breeze, then the variation of the sound is different. So that also is heard and enjoyed. Another one, corn growing in the cultivation land. Cultivation land during the harvest time. It is like a festival, isn't it? Cultivation, cutting down of the grain, cutting and collecting the grains is a form of a festival where all are enjoying together by doing different work. By doing different work, they all are enjoying the work. Understood now? Then one more was people working or dancing. That means people who are working or dancing, isn't it? That means where are they working? They are working in the crop cultivation. The crop is being time for cultivation. People are working over there together. At the same time, they are dancing. They are enjoying themselves, having a good harvest, isn't it? When there is a good harvest, the people are enjoying themselves. They are dancing and singing during the cultivation time, isn't it? But at the same time, if it is a loss, what we can see, will there be any dance or enjoyment? No, all will be which mode? Sad mood, isn't it? So when the harvest is there, good harvest is there, the people is working together with a great enjoyment. Understood the point? Thank you.